Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make an offset spiral. Start by deciding where you want the center of your spiral to be, and then spiral it up. Now secure it with rubber bands. Now, using washable markers, mark out your pattern. For this particular spiral, we're doing 3 pieces of pie. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. And since this is going to be an offset spiral, you want to just saturate the shirt halfway through the thickness of it. This is where we create the offset. You want to switch each color over 1 piece of pie. thing is pretty soaked. The dye is running through down into the pan, so flip it back over and batch it for 24 hours. And I've told you guys before that these metal pans leak. You always want to put them inside of a plastic container and put on the lid. So I'm sharing with you the inspiration picture. My brother saw this and he really wanted it, and so I said I would try. I'm not quite there, but not too bad for a first try. So here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. And I'm not mad at it. I didn't really know what to expect because it's been my experience when you mix purple and green like that, you're gonna get some brown. But it really didn't happen. It looks pretty darn good. I'm really surprised that there's any white left in the shirt because this thing was just dripping wet. So you can really see the offset. If we follow that green spiral from the center, you can see how there's the purple lines in between the green, and then just keep following it around. And then it shifts and it has pink in between the green. I don't know, I think it's a pretty cool shirt. It's not like the inspiration picture. It's close. It needs a little more tweaking. So what do you guys think? Do you have any suggestions as to what I can do to make it look more like the inspiration picture? Leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And please leave me a thumbs up and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!